Alright, today's video is simply going to be how to whistle using two fingers. Okay? Took me a while to figure this out because I saw a Hispanic guy do it and he did it like just using, but he did it way louder. So the beginning part of your nails right here is going to be this part here inside your mouth with your teeth on this part right here. Okay? Make a V, press it up against your tongue, make your tongue in that formation, put your fingers up against in the V, and that'll create a hole in the middle, so when you go to blow, it'll come through that hole and make the whistle sound. Shh, shh, shh. Hear it trying to come out? Here's a whistle. Okay? Now, if you have a dog or somebody way out somewhere that you're trying to get, their attention and they just can't hear you, belch it out. Loud whistle. So again, I'll go through this one more time. Make a V from the edge of your fingers right here where the fingernail starts from the skin. Together. Now don't bite your fingers, but put it right there at the edge of it. Form your tongue like this. Alright. Calm down. Okay. Now it's going to probably take you a little while to figure that out just because of the formation and how much airflow and all that. But when you hear it start to come out, you know you have that right formation. So it's just working on getting the airflow out. So I'll go from like starting out to belching it out. Okay. Now again, it's not hard. You just got to figure out the formation, tongue positioning, and where to put your teeth at on your finger. That's how you whistle. Thank you. Subscribe.